All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Children of all ages!
All right, we're going to talk about the greatest common factor. You're going to need to know how to find the greatest common factor. You should already know this. Did y'all simplify fractions last year?
I think so.
You were supposed to have. If you're telling me no, I'm going to call your teachers from last year and yell at them for not having you do it, which then they'll say, no, we did it. And then, don't walk across here. That'd be mean. Greatest common factor, also known as the GCF. Greatest common factor. Now, one of the last problems on that assignment you have to do is basically you're finding the greatest common factor for two numbers. Kylie, will you read that problem for me?
A group of 72 students went on a field trip. The students traveled in vans with an equal number of girls and boys in each van. If 42 boys went on the trip, how many vans were there?
Okay, so 42 boys, how many girls?
I don't know.
We'll figure it out. There are 72 students. 42 of them are boys. 30 girls. Now this is asking basically, we want to take and we want to find the biggest number that is a common factor of 42 and 30. So first, you've been doing, it's on your assignment. Some of you are deciding not to do it and look at your divisibility rules because you're just too lazy to open up your journal and look. Please don't shake my computer. If we take our two numbers, 42 and 30, and we list all our factor pairs for each. So 42 is obviously 1 and 42. Is 42 divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes, because it's an even number. So that's 2 and 21. Is 42 divisible by 3?
No.
What's the divisibility rule for 3? Someone help me. What's the divisibility rule for 3? Because you guys are guessing, throwing things out. Yes, no, I don't know. I'm too lazy to look. Yes.
The divisibility rule for 3?
Yes.
It has to be a multiple of 3?
Good. If you add the digits together and it's a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So the sum of 4 and 2 is 6. Is 6 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Then 42 is divisible by 3. 3 times 14? Is that right?
3 times. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, you're correct.
Yeah, you're correct.
13.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Not
you're
13,
correct.
14.
Yeah, that's 12. Yeah, he is correct.
All right. Is 5 a factor of 42? No. 6? 6 times anything equal 42?
Yes.
What?
7.
Thank you, Brooklyn. 6 times 7. So these are all my factors of 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. We're going to do the same thing for 30. Obviously, we start with 1 and 30. Is 30 divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
15.
2 times 15. Is 30 divisible by 3?
10.
Yes.
Yes, 3 times 10. Because the sum of 30 is 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. So 3 and 10. Is 30 divisible by 4? No, 4 times nothing equals 30. 5?
6.
Yes.
5 and 6. So these are my factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. We usually try and list them in order from least to greatest. All right, now what do they have in common? These are our common factors. They have a 1 in common.
And 2.
They have a 2 in common.
3.
They have a 3 in common. Do they have a 6?
No.
Yes.
Yep.
One of them has a 6 right there.
Okay. They have a 6 in common. Do they have a 5 in common?
Nope. No.
10?
No.
15?
No.
30?
No.
No. These are our common factors. These are our common factors for 42 and 30. What does the word greatest mean? Anyone?
Highest number.
Biggest.
The highest number, the biggest one. What is my greatest number here? 6. Therefore, my greatest common factor equals 6. Now, where might you have seen this when you were simplifying fractions last year? And don't lie to me and tell me you haven't. If you had the fraction 30 over 42, and it said, put this in simplest form, you would divide these both by 6. And remember, a fraction that has the same numerator and denominator equals 1. If I'm dividing something by 1, I'm not changing the value. I'm changing the way it's written. You want to get that for me? I'm changing the way it's written. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. 42 divided by 6 is 7. So that would be it in lowest terms. That is finding the greatest common factor. That is how you find the greatest common factor. Questions? Boom. Shakalaka.